Daddy
and
Kittens. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z.
Now you know my ABC. Next time you can sing with me. Hi everyone! Today we'll make occasional cards. To make occasional cards, we need white paper. One is soft, another tough. We need black pen. We need eraser, just in case. We need pencil. We need glue. We need ruler. We need scissors. These scissors are safe, so you don't need parents around. And we need confetti. Are you ready? Go, go, go!
Daddy,
Yes?
how to make confetti?
Okay, I will show you. To make confetti, we need colored papers and hole puncher. Now every paper has holes. Like your cheese with holes. Alright, open the hole puncher. How many do we have? Oh, many confetti, wow!
Sponsored by IQ English.